Last 5 seconds. Ready, start. This criminal appeal under section 374 of CRPC has been filed from jail against the judgment dated 11th August 2017 passed by Special Judge MPD VPK Act Gwalior in Special Sessions Trial number 30 of 2014, by which the appellants have been convicted under section 394 of IPC read with section 13 of MPD VPK Act and have been sentenced to undergo the rigorous imprisonment of 5 years and a fine of rupees 2000 on each count with default imprisonment of 6 months. Both the sentences have been directed to run concurrently. A PUD dated 13 December 2021 has been received from the Court of Special Judge MPD VPK Act Gwalior, which is addressed to the Principal Registrar of this court to the effect that the appellants did not furnish bail in compliance of order dated 12th February 2018, and a communication has been received from the Office of Superintendent Central Jail Gwalior dated 9 December 2021 that the appellant number 1 has completed the jail sentence on 10th July 2019 and appellants number 2 and 3 have completed the jail sentence on 28 June 2019 and they have also deposited the fine amount. However, it is also mentioned that the appellants are undergoing the life imprisonment in crime number 237 of 2014. Thus, it is clear that the appellants have already undergone the entire jail sentence awarded in this case. However, merely because the accused persons have undergone the jail sentence would not render the appeal infructuous. Accordingly, the counsel for the appellants was heard finally. According to the prosecution case on 8 June 2013 at about 1:30 in the night, the appellants Pappu, Chand Khan and Shaukat robbed the complainant Ramji Lal and his wife Mirabai and took away the gold and silver ornaments worth rupees 26,000. The complainant Kalyan Singh lodged a report on 8 June 2013 itself at 2:15 am, that is within a period of 15 minutes from the time of offence, to the effect that he along with his family members were sleeping in his house. He heard the shouts of his nephew Mohan. He rushed to the house of Mohan and found that Mohan was lying in an injured condition and his younger brother Ramji Lal was also lying in injured condition. His bhabi Mirabai was also lying in injured condition with bleeding from her ears. Her gold and silver ornaments were missing. When he tried to inquire from the injured about the incident, they could not say anything and became unconscious. On the report of Kalyan Singh, the police registered crime number 72 of 2013 for offence under section 394 of IPC against unknown persons. The appellants were arrested. The memorandum of the accused persons were recorded. Statements of the witnesses were also recorded. Some ornaments were recovered from the possession of the appellant Pappu. The police, after completing investigation, has filed the charge sheet for offence under section 394 of IPC and under section 1113 of MPDV PK Act. The trial court by order dated 13 February 2015 framed the charges under section 394 of IPC read with section 13 of MPDV PK Act. The appellants abjured their guilt and pleaded not guilty. The prosecution examined Mirabai PW1, Ramji Lal PW2, Kalyan Singh PW3, Neetu Kushwaha PW4, Dashrath PW5, Brijraj PW6, Mohan Singh PW7, Hariom PW8, Ram Avatar Singh PW9 and Suresh Kumar Sharma PW10. The appellants did not examine any witness in their defence. The trial court by the impugned judgment has convicted and sentenced the appellants for the offence mentioned above. Stop.